Hi, my friends. Are you ready for some multi-step problems? Here we go. It says, for Easter, Mrs. Ayres bought 123 chocolate bunnies. Those sound delicious. And 345 plastic Easter eggs. Then she hid 67 of these items for the Easter hunt. How many of these items did she still have left? Let's remember, we need to use our problem-solving checklist. Okay, guys, what is the problem asking us? If you said, how many items did she still have left? You are correct. So, let's look at the first part of our problem. To look for those numbers to make our equation, it says Miss Ayres bought 123 chocolate bunnies and 145 plastic Easter eggs. Okay, my friends, all together, what do you think we're going to do with those numbers? Think about it. If you said addition, you are correct. Let's put those numbers together and add them up. Don't forget your HTO. HTO. Okay, my friends, begin to solve. Remember, always start with our, you got it, ones place. 5 plus 3 equals, if you said 8, you are correct. Next, we look at our tens place. You got it. 2 plus 4 is 6. Very good. Last, we look at our hundreds place. Wonderful. 3 plus 1 is, you got it, 4. But are we done with this problem? If you said no, you are right. Remember, we're doing multi-step problems. So, it says, then she hid 67. What is that action word that we have there? If you said hid, you are right. If she hid those plastic items, the plastic eggs, what does that mean? Are we going to subtract or add, my friends? If you said subtract, you are right. So we always take our what? Our sum, and then we subtract it by our number that we have here in our multi-step. You got it. Let's do it. 468 minus 67. Make that HTO, and I will give you guys time to solve. Okay, we look at our ones place first, right? Is there more on top or more on the floor, my friends? If you said more on top, that means we don't need to stop. 8 minus 7 is 1. You got it. Now we look at our tens place. 6 minus 6 is 0. Good job. Now we look at our hundreds. 4 minus 0 is 4. Wonderful. Did everybody get 401 for our difference? Great job. Kiss your brain, guys. She has 401 items left. Let's take a look at our next problem. Our next multi-step problem says, The second grade had 676 flower seeds they wanted to plant for the spring. They went ahead and planted 438 of the seeds in a nearby park. They bought 243 more seeds. How many seeds do they have now? Let's think about it and go to our problem-solving checklist. What are they asking us? They are asking us, how many seeds do they have now? You are correct. Now, what are our numbers we have here? We know she had 676 flower seeds, right, for spring, and then went ahead and planted 438 seeds. I'm going to stop there. What is our action word so we know if we're going to add or subtract? She planted. So what do you think that we're going to do with those numbers? If you said subtract, you are right, my friends. So let's take 676 minus 438. Don't forget that H, T, O. Okay, my friends. Try to solve, please. Okay, so we go to our ones place first, and it says 6 minus 8. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? If you said more on the floor, you are correct. So we go next door, get 10 more. This becomes a 6, and that becomes a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. You got it. Next, we look at our tens place. 6 minus 3 is, if you said 3, you are correct. Now we look at our hundreds place. Very good. 6 minus 4 is, if you said 2, kiss your brains. You got it. But are we done with this problem, my friends? If you said no, you are correct. It says, then they bought 243 more seeds. What is that action word, my friends, they have? Did you guys say more? You are right. So, what are we going to do with 243? We're going to add. Awesome job, my friends. And we're going to add what? Our difference. 243 plus 238. Oops. Don't forget your HTO. Okay, my friends. Please solve. Remember to start with our ones place first, right over here. 3 plus 8 is, if you said 11, you are correct. 1, and regroup that 1 on the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is, if you said 8, you got it. Now we go to our hundreds place. 2 plus 2 is 4. Wonderful, my friends. Give yourselves a round of applause. You are doing an amazing job. Let's go to our last slide. Okay, now this one you guys are going to be doing on your own. It says, Sandra saved up 800 pennies. She rolled up 450 pennies. Then she saved up 321 more pennies. How many does she have saved up? Remember your problem-solving checklist. Always look first, what is the problem asking you? Next, find your numbers in the problems to the first part and look at those action words to know if you're going to be subtracting or adding. Then solve the second part of your equation, of your problem. And also look at the action word. What are they asking you? All right, my friends, I know you got this. Good luck.